Now I'm going to see if I can walk to my car. Wow, look at this. The snow comes up to my knees. I am 5'3" tall, so do the math. How deep? That's only part of it. Look at as I walk. I want to see my car. You can see there's other footsteps here. Trying to get through. It's really hard trying to walk through this. Look at it. This is wow. It's still snowing. Goodness gracious. I'm afraid to continue because I'm afraid to get stuck. Let's see if I can make it around where to get out over there. See how the house is? The snow is all the way up. My car, there it is. I can see it. It's a white Geo Metro. As you can see, I'm breathing hard because it's tough. It's like walking through deep sand. That's what the snow is like, walking through sand. Look at my pants. Okay, look at all the snow. Okay, pretty much snow. It looks beautiful, but all the cars are snowed in, as you can see. And seems like nobody was able to get out this morning to go to work, I guess. And there she is. That white car is all covered with snow. Yep. And whoa, it would take me a while to get out of that, to shovel through that. Yeah. This is the January 11th snowstorm here in Connecticut. I am from New Britain, Connecticut, and I don't see any kids around a sled, which would be awesome in that little hill. That would be cool. I wish I had a sled. I would slide down myself. But the roads, let me see how much they have cleaned it around here. I don't think anybody's washing clothes today in that laundromat. Wow. Look at this. This is wow. I haven't seen this much snow since I was a little girl when I lived in Pennsylvania in the 1970s. You can see how deep the snow is as they have plowed. For this special person, look what they've done. Lucky him. Huh. You could tell that was done by a plower, the truck. Well, we don't get that special attention. So, as you can see, everything is, everybody's like snowed in, actually. It's still snowing. It's, 10 o'clock, January 12th, and it's still snowing. Yep, and it's coming down a little slow, but kind of fast at the same time, and with lots of, and it's kind of windy. Soon I'll be taking pictures, so I'll show them to you later. Okay, bye-bye.